everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac. In this video, I will introduce Komatsu SAA6D170E Series construction engine. Komatsu SAA6D170E Series engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 23.15 liters. The overall dimensions of Komatsu SAA6D170E Series construction engine is 1,867 mm by 1,243 mm by 1,732 mm, and the net weight is 3,120 kg. The emission standard can reach up to EPA Tier 3 and Euro Stage 3A. Komatsu SAA6D170E Series construction engine have different models, which SAA6D170E3 and the SAA6D170E-5 are the models that are still in production and available for the aftermarket replacement demand. Komatsu SAA6D170E3 construction engine is equipped with HPI fuel system and engine control system, which is mainly used in Komatsu HD465-7 dump truck, Komatsu HD605-7 dump truck. Komatsu SAA6D170E-5 construction engine is equipped with ConeMac fuel system and a new process called EGR system, which is mainly used in Komatsu PC1250-8 hydraulic excavators, Komatsu WA600-6 wheel loaders, Komatsu HD465-7E0 dump truck. The standard Komatsu SAA6D170E Series construction engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, flywheel housing, fuel filter, flywheel, turbocharger, starter motor, charging alternator, oil filter, air filter, engine cooling fan,
committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC group that focuses on construction machinery application based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers. ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, You are welcome to visit our homepage www.cone-mac.com.